Hi everyone, meet the FABULETTA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful 400W lightweight stick vacuum with up to 47 minutes of battery life. This vacuum features a high-speed brushless motor with 3 suction modes: low, medium, and high for versatile cleaning. Its 5-layer filtration system traps 100% of fine particles and 99% of ultrafine particles, keeping your air fresh and clean. The upgraded dust cup offers easy one-click disposal to prevent dust scattering and messes. Weighing only 5.3 pounds, it comes with multiple attachments and a wall mount for convenient storage and cleaning in tight spaces or cars. The floor brush rotates 90 to 180 degrees with an LED light and display showing battery level and alerts. Plus, it is FCC certified and backed by a 1-year after-sales service for peace of mind. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.